Market Kitchen is a cookery program made by Optomen that premiered on Good Food in 2007. Presented by Rachel Allen, Amanda Lamb, Matt Tebbutt, Tom Parker Bowles and Matthew Fort. The program concentrates on seasonal cooking and features visits to a local market to obtain seasonal produce. The first series was presented from a customized kitchen in Borough Market and featured Tana Ramsay as one of its presenters. In 2009, the program incorporated the local Food Hero competition, which had previously had its own series on UKTV Food. It will feature the winner of a competition to find Britain's best pudding, launched by Christopher Biggins in April 2010. In 2010, spin-off, Market Kitchen's Big Adventure, aired on Good Food. Official Good Food Market Kitchen site. Market Kitchen on IMDb.